In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove Klaviyo from your Shopify store quickly and easily. Whether you're switching email marketing platforms or simply cleaning up your store integrations, this guide will help you uninstall Klaviyo step by step. So let's get started. First, open your browser and log in to your Shopify admin dashboard using your store credentials. Once you're on the home page, look toward the lower left corner and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, select Apps and Sales Channels. This section displays all the apps and integrations currently connected to your Shopify store. Scroll through the list and locate Klaviyo. Now click on Klaviyo to open the App Details page. Here you'll see different options related to the integration. Next, click on Uninstall or Remove App to begin removing Klaviyo from your Shopify store. Shopify may ask you to confirm your decision or choose a reason for uninstalling the app. After confirming, Shopify will disconnect Klaviyo from your store and remove the integration. You may also see a notification about customer data privacy, explaining that Shopify can request the deletion of customer information stored by the app developer. Once the process is complete, Klaviyo will no longer be connected to your Shopify store. Before uninstalling, it's always a good idea to make sure you've backed up important email lists, automation flows, or customer data if you plan to use them later. And that's it. You've successfully removed Klaviyo from Shopify. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if this tutorial helped you.